I'm Bethany Cherry with Expert Village. Right, now we're going to start mixing the cake. We're going to take the half a cup of water that we have in this measuring cup, and I'm going to put it in the microwave and heat it up until it's boiling. Probably do it for a minute and a half to 2 minutes, or until the water is nice and bubbly. Okay, the water is done and it's nice and bubbly. So, it's really hot. So now we're going to take a small mixing bowl and put the sweet cooking chocolate into the bowl and pour the water on the chocolate. And we're going to stir it until the chocolate is melted. Okay, we're going to take our 4 eggs and we need to separate the egg whites from the yolk. So, I'm going to crack the egg, and to separate the egg white from the yolk, you just put the yolk, go from one shell to the other shell until all the egg white is out. Now we're going to save the egg whites because we're going to add them later into the cake mix. We're going to start with mixing the butter and the sugar together until it's light and fluffy, and then we're going to add the egg yolks one at a time. So we're going to take the sugar, and this is 2 cups of sugar, but if you're at high altitudes, just take out 2 tablespoons of that. We're going to take our electric mixer. We're going to mix these until they're light and fluffy. Here we have 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of sugar. Now that we have the butter and the sugar mixed up, and so it's light and fluffy, we're just going to add the egg yolks one at a time.